If you're tired of sending 50 Upwork proposals and getting ghosted, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can automate your Upwork outreach so you can send personalized proposals at scale without wasting hours every single day. I've used this exact flow to help AI agencies, freelancers, SMMA guys book qualified meetings on autopilot. This is not some spammy bot. We're talking legit, smart automation that gets replies. Now I'm going to break down how this entire N8N template works, but if you want the copy and paste template for this automation, it's all going to be inside the SKOOL community. It's linked below. What you're watching is one of our free SKOOL community meetings where I'm actually breaking down this template and giving it away too. So let's dive in. This is going to save you hours every single week.
So this is basically something that we developed for Upwork. We want to do a lot of Upwork outreach. If you're trying to get clients for AI, for marketing, for content, anything that you can possibly think of on Upwork, this automation is going to help you do the outreach and find those people. So we have three flows to this automation. One is to get the keywords on Upwork. The second one is to send a video to that person. And then the third one is a cover letter. So I'll show you guys real quick just what the sheet looks like so you can see. This is the output, but I'm going to walk you guys through the actual automation too. So if you guys have ever used Upwork, there's a bunch of stuff that you can apply for. There's a bunch of people, specifically businesses that are looking for content editors. They need AI, they need marketing, right? Website edits, whatever it is. And you guys can go on there and apply and try to win that job. And there's pretty good paying jobs in there. I'm going to pull up Upwork so you can see this too. So look, I'm going to just search for AI chat for a moment. So all these people are looking for services related to AI chat. So AI specialist to automate and optimize real estate development business. This one is email marketing specialist using AI copy. So AI phone receptionist, that's something that we need. And they have $1,000, right? You guys have heard of Upwork. You all know what it is. You got to manually go through these, right? And apply to them. So what my automation does, it's going to actually read it for you. And you can see, so this is the job title, Google Apps Script Review and Fix. So it's a PDF to ChatGPT 2 sheets. Sounds like they know what they want. They're just trying to outsource it. So you can see the time that they posted it, it's a fixed rate, $30 an hour. You can see the transcript. So I'm looking for an experienced developer to review and fix my existing Google Apps script code. By the way, if you guys are selling AI, this is what you're going to run into a lot. Somebody's trying to make it work. They're doing a little bit of vibe coding. They're doing a little bit of stuff in N8N, and then they just hit a wall and they can't make it work. So he's trying to get somebody to fix this entire process. He wants to read the PDFs, extract the content, parse the response, and store the extracted info in a Google Sheet. I've literally done that specifically for a client. This would be the best thing for me to apply for. So I have the job URL here in case I want to review it further. They have a lot of reviews. They pay well as well. This is a really good job. Not a lot of proposals. You can apply right here. So the application link where I can just go to apply. So here's the really cool part though. If you guys have ever heard of Replique or Send Potion, that's what I'm using right now to automate some of this. So I'll show you real quick what Replique is. This is the app that I'm using right now to have the best personalization. So there's versions of it. Definitely I've seen versions of this where it's way more expensive. Basically, I can send a personalized Loom video. So if you guys have ever heard of people doing outreach with Loom, you can basically use AI to personalize these messages. So you can basically make an avatar of your own face. And if every single person on my list have their first name like Daniel, Vinny, Stanford, Zubin, right? I can automate the Loom process and send a personalized video. So as you can see, the background is changing, but this little video is not. And you can basically put that as a thumbnail in a video. So it looks like you've sent a video, right? And you're on their website. So it has really good click-through rates, really good open rates. And that's what I'm using right now to do this on Upwork. So the background is going to be the Upwork post, and then I have this personalized video here. So it looks like I really took the time, right, to look at the post, make a video, and some of them may already know about it, but it for sure helps you stand out. So here, I'll just play a quick clip of it. All right, I think we're good. Hey, how you doing? I just saw your Upwork post, and I wanted to shoot this quick video for you. Real quick, my name is Dan. I'm with a company called Scaling Squad, also known as Badass. On Google, you can find us at scalingsquad.com or just searching for my full name, Daniel Beltran. I have a YouTube channel also. I post a bunch of videos where you can get a bunch of free stuff in AI and automation. Anyways, long story short, we've been helping people since 2019 with marketing, AI automations in their business. And I thought the job post made sense and we could probably work on this for you. I just wanted to put a face to the cover letter. I feel like not a lot of people do that. I like to really take my time with these. And all I ask is really if I could get a couple minutes in front of you guys just to talk more about this in detail, I would appreciate that. I appreciate it. Take a look. Let me know what you think. Just reply to us and give us a time that works best. We'll be flexible and appreciate it. Hopefully we can work together soon. So under 1 minute. And by the way, a lot of the stuff right out of the gate, I was like, go to Google and search for Scaling Squad because that's what they're going to do. I have their attention. They're on my video. They can go to Scaling Squad. Oh, wow. These guys are on LinkedIn. These guys are on Trustpilot. These guys have Google reviews. These are real people. Search for Daniel Beltran. That might not be the best thing to do, but right now I am #1, which is good. But there's a lot of Daniel Beltrans that are criminals. So that doesn't look good. But right now I'm #1. So for now it's okay. Anyways, so that's the full thing. At the very end, you just get a little cover letter. You can just basically have a VA or even you go to the application link, copy and paste cover letter and the video link. Copy paste. All the sourcing, all the work has been done for you already. So that's the full thing. This is the automation. So there's 3 steps to this automation. The first part right here, this is where we're going to type in a keyword to execute a workflow. So first thing I'm going to do is actually hide these just so I can show you the example. So I'll hide them. So it's a clean one. And let's just do AI phone. Or no, let's do AI chat. So it submits. And what it's doing right here is it's using an actor in Appify. So maybe you guys have heard of it, maybe you haven't. There's a tool called Appify that lets you scrape a bunch of different stuff. So I'll show you some of my actors right here. You can scrape UpWork, Apollo, you can scrape Crunchbase, you can scrape SKOOL, a bunch of scrapers, right? It's a really good and cheap way to get high quality untapped leads. That's why a lot of people are talking about it in the AI space, but there's still a lot of room. There's so many different things you can scrape. So we're using UpWork Job Scraper. We just built it into the automation. So as soon as we put in whatever keyword, as you can see right here, I can then put whatever filters in here, location filters. You can manually play with this and start it, and you'll have leads within the platform. So in my case, I just put it in right here. So get whatever chat message the person put in. This is going to retrieve the result, like the URL, because as you can see in the Appify automation, you can put a URL. So in Upwork, like right here, if I go to the search, this is the URL. So I can just copy this, put it in Appify and scrape, and it will scrape everything, right? To your liking, because you can put all whatever filters, right? And then it changes the URL. So that's a long story short. Then it's going to execute the next workflow, which is the second one. It's going to get the jobs. So all that data, and then we're going to basically create that replete video. Because at this point, we've already scraped the job listing. We know the title, the hourly, right? We got that from the previous execution. Comes through here, we make a video, put it on the sheet, and then we wait. Right now we're waiting 5 seconds, but there's still more waiting that has to happen because every single one will loop and continually finish. The last one is the cover letter. Get the details from the sheet, generate a cover letter with AI, and update the sheet again. So this is my prompt. Use the following job title and job description to create personalized and persuasive Upwork cover letter. Start with a friendly professional tone. You can pause and read the rest if you want. Sign with Maxine. No. My name is Daniel. My VA is getting fired. I'm not paying him his $2 an hour now. The last one is just update the details. So the last part, which is here, cover letter, they'll just update that part. And that's it. Now it's completely automated and you have the best types of looms. So that's really the entire workflow. I wanted to share that with you. I'm going to give this to you guys too in the badass community. So if you want it, I'll make a post for it. We can talk about it then.